Write the vision and make it plain. So those that come behind you will read it and they shall run. Write the vision, make it plain. So those that come behind you will read it and they will run. Though it tarry, Though it tarry, it shall come to pass. When it comes to writing, we have to remember that our words are the very thing that's framing the world around us and is also painting a picture. So when you hear write the vision and make it plain, I want you to think about this right here. If you ever find yourself in a lawsuit, or even if you are a person that's going through the credit restoration process, remember you are creating what's called a record. Records are very, very important when it comes to this particular space. Record. Remember that. Record. 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 It spells the same exact way. Record. Record. Remember that. Write the vision. Make it plain. Follow me. Here's another one for you. Life and death is in the power of the tongue. Life and death is in the power of the tongue. Sticks and stones may break my bones, but words will never hurt me. Let's talk about it. Words are a very, very powerful tool, and how words are used and how it's interpreted can make or break a situation. If you ever find yourself in court, I don't care what it is, even though I am a debt collectors litigating specialist, I'm an expert in that. What I'm giving you, it works all the way around the board. I want you to remember this. Your words is very, very powerful, and how you frame your words can make or break the situation. Remember, God's word says that life and death is in the power of the tongue. So therefore, choose your words very, very wisely. And you might be asking yourself why, and I'm glad you asked. The reason why you want to be very, very careful with your words, especially if you find yourself in a lawsuit, is because everything that you are saying, matter of fact, you know how they say that this is an attempt to collect the debt. Anything that you say might be used for those purposes. Take that for what it is. Whatever you say, it matters, and it also goes on the record. And how you frame your words and how you say it also goes on the record. You are building a record, and with that record, you are able to get a transcript. And this is going to help you tremendously if you ever have to use the transcript to appeal the actual situation. So be very, very mindful of what you say, how you say it, and also when you actually say it. So again, write the vision, make it plain. Write the vision, make it plain. Life and death is in the power of the tongue, and how you say it determines your outcome.